Hello everybody, welcome to the Drunken Sailor cocktail channel. I'm Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and this is the place where we make cocktails. And I think they're tasty cocktails. Not too long ago, we did a real quick survey asking the folks, which cocktails did you want to see? And over half of the people wanted to see either a boat drink or a tiki drink. Well, I've had this tiki drink on my list for a long time to make, and finally, we're getting around to doing it. This is a cocktail that dates back to the 1930s, around 1937. And Don the Beachcomber is the one who designed this cocktail. And with a sense of humor, he thought this was so good that he could take the religious missionaries that were in the South Pacific during the 20s and 30s and take them from a position of temperance to one that they would enjoy one of his cocktails. This cocktail is called the Missionary Downfall. So, grab a seat at the bar, get your tiki on, and let's get pouring. We're gonna make this, actually it's a blended drink. So I've got a mixing cup today. And we're gonna start in there with about 3/4 of a cup of ice. A little more, a little less. Now, we're going to use some really fresh ingredients for this. And when you're making tiki drinks, they're usually a little bit more difficult, a little bit complicated. They're not hard, but you just need to be ready for them. There's a French cooking term called mise en place, and that means get everything ready before you start going. So we're going to take some freshly picked mint leaves, and I used about 4 or 5 stalks on those. The leaves themselves this time of year are really pretty small. So as you get closer into summertime and the leaves get bigger, you won't need 3 or 4 stalks of them. The next ingredient going in there is pineapple chunks. Now I've got pineapple chunks cut up, and you can put in there about 5 or 6 of them. If you don't want to go through the hassle of using a fresh pineapple, I suppose you could use pineapple juice. For that, you're going to use about 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces. The ingredient that's going in there next is honey syrup. So that's equal parts of honey and water. And for that, we are going to use 1/2 ounce. Following that up, and this is what gives it a kind of a pretty unique flavor to it, is a liqueur called Crème de Pêche, peach liqueur. And for that, we're going to use 1/2 ounce. Gives it a really unique flavor to it. We're going to put in there next some golden rum. A Cuban style rum really works nice in this, and Bacardi was actually a Cuban rum before the 60s. They since moved it to Puerto Rico. But for that, we're going to use about 1.5 ounces. We got everything else that we think is going in there, except I see I've got one more glass over here, and that we've got some freshly squeezed lime juice. We're using fresh because you know fresh is best. For that, we're going to put in there about 3/4 ounce. Now, hey, if you're watching this today, the day that we're releasing this video is actually the anniversary of our first video. We've been making cocktails on YouTube since 2021, April 13th. Can't believe it's been that long already. Now that I've got everything in that shaker, we're going to put the top on there. You can use a big blender if you want. If you've got one of these smaller Ninja styles, they work really well for 1-off or 2-offs on this cocktail. We're going to give it a real quick blend. What we want to do is to give it almost like a, not quite a smoothie texture on it. We don't want it as a frozen drink, but we want it pretty loose. And we're going to give it a stir. Yeah, one more pulse. And that's really all the... Some things after 5 years still don't go any smoother. And that's all we really need to do to blend that up. The next thing that I want to do on this is we're going to give it a pour. So you can see I've got my coupe. I've got it chilling with ice and water in there so it's nice and cold. And now all I need to do is give that a pour. A little bit of foam on the top. This thing looks healthy. It looks like one of those smoothies my wife keeps trying to give me to say, drink it, it's good for you. Don't believe her. Now, all I need to do left is garnish for that one. For that, I'm just going to take a small sprig of mint, put it in the palm of your hand, give it a slap. That's going to express some of those oils, get a little bit more of that mint flavor out of there. We drop that in there. And here is Don the Beachcomber's The Missionary Downfall. Let's give this one a taste. Tiki is good for a reason. It is filled with flavors. There's a lot of depth to this one. The first taste that I get in there is that peach liqueur. Just a touch of peach liqueur in there, and it gives it a really, really bright flavor to it. There's a lot of mint in there, but it's really amazingly subdued for that. That golden rum gives it a nice, rich body. The crushed ice in there, the color on it, the texture on it, this may be the healthy drink my wife needs to give me every day. Cheers, everybody. We'll see you at the next cocktail.